Today we're just going to be pulling this bottom piece all the way down here and then replacing it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is just work on getting these pieces moved out. So you can get this underneath there. Try to get a little space so I can get this one out. I don't want to break it. I don't want to replace this piece too. Yeah, if that nail doesn't want to come, we'll just take our multi-tool and cut it. Now, if those nails don't want to come loose, just take your multi-tool. Now we can start prying at this piece, get it out. Now, one thing I'll notice here, there's caulk here. Now that could be a reason why it's leaking, because it ends up, or it rots out because it ends up trapping the water back inside there. So you really don't want to be caulking under these pieces. These are old pieces, so it might have been from a previous. So these are definitely older pieces, so it's probably parts that didn't get replaced. But yeah, these are just rotting away. Now the other thing I'm noticing is these nails are just kind of falling apart. So I'm going to go through and just cut them. This section was also caulked, so to get the piece out, we need to cut the caulk with either a knife or using your multi-tool. Unfortunately, using my multi-tool to cut the nails was slow and chewing up blades, so I switched to my Sawzall, which speed up the process pretty significantly. Now, when cutting the nails, make sure you cut the nail on both sides of the siding, otherwise the piece will snag on the nails. It also helps to have them removed to stop the new piece from snagging as well. Now I'm going to cut right here. I usually don't want to be that close to the joint, but in this case I don't have a lot of options here unless I go back further, and we'll see how much material I have when I'm done here, as that might be a possibility. But for right now, we're just going to cut it right here. Now to cut this, I'm just going to use my multi-tool, because that's the easiest option. At this point, we want to clean up and remaining nails from the piece of siding that was pulled. All right, so now we have what we want off, and we'll start over here, but I got to make sure, I want to match up this reveal, but I got to make sure I got enough to cover this here. So if I measure that reveal, it's about 6 3/4, which should be fine. I'm not gonna have the same reveal down there, but that's okay. So we'll go ahead and put this one up. Let me make sure. See what I don't, like I said, I don't want my joints to line up. And I got 12-foot pieces. So 12 foot puts me right there. I think that's fine. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna do 6 3/4 spacing. Now, because I'm by myself, heavy to do on your own, I'm going to tack this up. Now, start nailing it down, and you want these nails about 16 inches apart. So, and you want to make sure you hit the bottom one too. So, line them up if you can. That's all I'm going to do. Like I said, I'm just lining them up with the other nail as close as I can. Now, the problem we have here is this. I put a 12-footer in, it falls directly on that seam. So I'm going to cut this so that it falls right in here, split it, and then go. Then we'll put a full piece at the end. Tack this up and I get it to where I want it. So I've got my bottom where I want, so I'm going to tack a nail in that and then move to the other side. Now I can't use the reveal on this one, and it unfortunately falls right in a bad spot. So what I'll do is I'll just put my level on it. That looks good right there. I'll go ahead and put some more nails in it. Let's get a measurement on this here. So I measured that and I got about 114.5 now. I've got a little extra play here because that trim piece is going to come out. If I'm not exact, it's okay because it's going to slide in a little bit. And again, being long is better than being short. You can't recut short. You can recut long.
For this last piece, we want to make sure the factory straight edge is matching up with the other edge that is showing. The cut edge should go under the trim at the edge. This should go over the sped up part. To make sure that our piece stays straight, we can either match the reveal on the longer board or we can use our level again.
Now we're going to cut our last two pieces, and I'm just going to split they're only 12 footers. And this is a 12 footer, so I'm just going to split it. So do 8 foot and then whatever. So we'll cut a piece to 8 foot, and then the other one will be what it is. But I do have a half piece here, so maybe I'll put that up. Now again, we have a little extra room down there at the end, so we don't have to be dead perfect on that. We can slide it a little, shift it a little bit either way. But we can shift it a little bit towards the corner.